Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to sell any product on eBay, and I will show you step by step how to create your listing on eBay and without no risk, and never eBay recognize that you are a dropshipper. Then guys, make sure to finish this video until the end. Then I will show you the easy method to list your product on eBay. For example, then you need to know this method to work with me and other people I know, and it's work 100%, and never eBay recognize that you are a dropshipper, and never eBay banned your account. Then guys, if you want to sell some product, then you will need to go directly to the sale on the toolbar on the top, then hit on sale. Then guys, for example, I have already selected a product. This is the product. It's $3.65. It's very cheap. Then we will sell it on eBay for $7.00. It means $7. Then guys, then open the eBay account. Then you need to tell us what you are selling. For example, the gadget. I will tap the gadget. Tap on gadget. Then search. Then hit on continue without much on the bottom. Then guys, the condition of your product is always new, because you will buy it on AliExpress as a new. Then guys, at the bottom hit on continue to listen. Then wait a few seconds to open your listing section on your account. Then guys, first you need to provide photos to your listing. Then you need to add the photos, and it's optional to add the videos. Then guys, for example, this product on AliExpress, or you can go to Walmart or Amazon or any store. Then guys, for example, you need to download all this picture. Then guys, I have already add extension on my browser. It's called Media Ali extension, and I will show you an example. It's Ali Media extension. Then Ali Media extension, as you see guys, this is my extension to download any picture on your AliExpress. Then guys, for example, you need to download the main image or the variation image. As you see guys, the main image, all this picture, it's main image, and this the variation image. Then hit on download the main image. As you see guys, the image was downloaded successfully. This one, the first one, the second one, the third one, all the main image. Then guys, go direct to your eBay. Then guys, click on add photos and open. As you see guys, this is all the image that you have downloaded on AliExpress. Then guys, the title, it's a big problem, because you need to copy the title on eBay store, not on AliExpress or other store. Then guys, go and open your eBay account, or for example, we'll tap. Then go to your eBay account again. Then you need to copy the title of this product and go to your eBay. Then paste it on the search bar. Okay. Then guys, for example, you need to copy the title of the first product. Then copy, it's the same product, to choose the same product, and copy the title. Then go to your listing section, then paste the title. Then for the brand, it's a kitchen. This one subtitle, it's optional. You don't need to add the subtitle. Item category, they can add other chicken, or you can edit the category. Then scroll it to item specifics. It means you need to add the specific of your item. For example, the brand, you can add the kitchen, but me always I select the unbranded, because the brand product, it may be take your account banned. Then I will choose this one, unbanned. Always select unbanned, because the brand product, it will be take your account banned. The type, all this specifics, it's optional, you don't need to add it. For example, the type, you can add the type, food cover, or for example the material, you can add the metal or aluminum. For example, you can go to your product on AliExpress, then you can choose the product information, for example the color, the black, the size. For example, you can add it all the specific this description to your product. Then guys, go directly to your variation. Then if your product has the variation, for example this product, there is two category of the product, the E and the B. Then you can download this picture of variation picture, then go and click on variation picture. Then guys, go back to your condition is a new, but for a description you need to go directly to AliExpress and copy this description, then copy description, then go to description and paste it. Or if you want to add something, for example some picture, then guys scroll down for the pricing. Always make it buy it now. It means automatically when the buyer click on buy, automatically it will take it to payment method for the price. For example, this one on eBay, it's $9.45. It's very expensive. Then for the real product, it's only $3. For me, I will tap only the 7.20. Then guys, the quantity, because you are the beginner dropshipper, only 4, because you need too much money. Then guys, don't select this section because you don't need, it's optional. Then scroll down to shipping. I always select free shipping because the buyers love to buy the free shipping product. Then guys, always keep it a free shipping. Then guys, scroll down to the payment method. You need to go directly to manage payment to your account. Then after you manage your payment method, then scroll down to list your product. Then automatically your product, it will listed on your store. Then never eBay recognize that you are a dropshipper. As you see guys, it's very easy. Thank you so much for watching. See you on the next video.